Imagine this. You invest just $10 a day. That's less than what most people spend on coffee. Now here's the shocking part. By the time you retire, that tiny habit alone could make you a millionaire. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. It's math. It's the power of compounding. And here's the kicker. The wealthiest people in the world don't just use this principle in their investments. They apply it to almost every decision they make. The sooner you understand this secret, the sooner you'll start building real wealth while everyone else keeps spending theirs away. Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And once you see it, you'll never look at money the same way again. To become truly rich, you must first define exactly what wealth means to you. Do you aspire to be as rich as Elon Musk? Or do you aim to save $1 million by midlife? Everyone has a unique definition of wealth, so set your own financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Ask yourself a few questions to formulate your goals. When do I plan to stop working? What important things do I want to buy, such as a house, art pieces, a yacht, or something else? Am I thinking of having a family? Should I save money for my kids' education? What legacy do I aim to leave behind for my children? These questions can help you establish precise financial goals. They will determine the amount of funds needed to achieve your personal definition of prosperity. This is where you start getting richer quickly. Once you have a specific goal, begin saving. Save at least 15% of your yearly income. Whenever you receive payment, set aside some of it and don't use it. As time passes, try to save even more. 15% is a good minimum, while aiming for 20%. The more you save now, the more you'll have later, and more crucially, the faster it'll happen. Soon, I'll demonstrate how your savings will rapidly start profiting you and generate more income in return. Making a monthly budget is the next part of the formula called Get Rich Quickly. Make a budget so that it touches all your major expenses, plan savings, and also leave some budget for leisure activities. Your mental health is incredibly important. In the pursuit of financial success, don't dive headfirst into the race, or you risk burning out quickly and losing the desire to take any more steps toward success. After you have literally written down all your financial obligations on a piece of paper or on your phone, do not forget to carefully monitor your expenses. It is the careful tracking of expenses that will help you keep an effective eye on your budget. Write down every dollar you spend so you can see the real picture. After 3 months, you will know exactly where most of your money is going, and you will be able to optimize the necessary expenses. We are going to discuss these in more detail next. Now, look for ways to reduce your expenses. By taking a close look at your monthly budget, where your money is going, you can easily see areas where you can change your financial behavior. Cutting a few dollars here and there may not seem like much of a get-rich-quick scheme, but in fact, money tends to accumulate, and you'll see a decent amount of money in your monthly or biannual statement. Here are some ideas on how to cut your spending. Reduce the number of times you eat out. Another option is to use a car or taxi less often to get around town. An even more drastic option would be to buy a used car instead of a new one from the showroom. Try not to drink coffee at Starbucks every morning. It may seem like $4 won't make a difference, but over a week it adds up to $28. And over a year, it adds up to almost $1,500. There are many similar examples of saving money. The main thing is to have the desire to make changes. Live a modest lifestyle, even if you start earning more. As your salary and savings grow, you will want to spend more. This happens to almost everyone. It's a natural law. However, it is important not to give in to this temptation. Resist the urge and keep saving, especially when you have just started on the path to getting rich quickly. Mark Cuban, billionaire investor and owner of the Dallas Mavericks, drove a used car for years even after becoming a millionaire. He says, "Live like a student, because the less you spend now, the more freedom you gain later." That mindset helped him build his fortune, and it's one of the easiest habits you can adopt today. Imagine that you live in a nice apartment in a good neighborhood and pay a monthly rent of $1,000. Think about it. Is it really important for you to move to a more expensive apartment, say for $1,500, just because you can afford it? Think about where you are spending your money. This process is probably only happening because you can do it, not because it is necessary. Make smart purchases. Reevaluate your spending and figure out for yourself what things are really worth buying and when shopping is just a waste of money. For example, buying lottery or casino tickets may theoretically make you rich, but in most cases, you will spend a lot more money than you will win in the end. Or buying a business class ticket. Think about whether it's worth paying an extra $500 or more for such a service. Sure, it's convenient, but I'm sure you can get to your destination either in a lower class or another way. I won't forget to mention purchases that depreciate quickly. For example, new cars. Did you know that your car is worth 10% less when it leaves the showroom? And in 5 years, it will be worth less than half of its original price. That's the point of smart purchases. They're designed to meet your needs, but at the same time effectively affect your financial health. So now that we've covered the basic of saving, budgeting, and goals, let's move on to the next, no less effective part of getting rich fast. It will be about getting the most out of your career. First, start by getting the education and knowledge that can maximize your earning potential. Whether it's a 5-year university degree or a 1-year course, either way, it's easier to get rich with a body of knowledge. When accepting a job, employers judge you on your education. In addition, knowledge allows you to earn a higher salary early in your career and in the long run. If you think you deserve a higher salary, don't be afraid to ask your manager about it. As you gain experience on the job, document your successes and accomplishments so that you can submit a report when it comes time to ask for a raise. This will help your employer see that you are a valuable asset worth paying more for. If you can't get a raise or if you've already reached a ceiling, it's time to consider a second job. An extra source of income is a great option if you can live in the here and now or save even more extra money. Even if you're not ready to devote a lot of time to a second job, a few hours of employment can be a good option. There are now a number of websites and services where you can find a job for a few hours, even remotely. If you can find an extra hour in the morning and evening for extra tasks, you will have more money in your wallet than usual for a month. And of course, we're not going to leave out the option of changing a company or a job in general. Don't limit yourself to one job. If you feel you could get more, but the company you work for does not allow it, do some research and analyze how much other employers pay. Chances are you're already stuck in one place and there are plenty of opportunities with a bigger paycheck. Consider the possibility of career advancement. You may start out making less at another company, but as you move up the ladder, your income may increase from where you are now. And of course, don't forget to consider a radical change of activity. Every 3 to 5 years, the trend in high-paying jobs changes. Study the current trends, perhaps some of them will interest you and you will be able to prove yourself in a completely different field, and thereby increase your income. I note that all the steps described above can be done simultaneously. So your efficiency will grow and accordingly wealth will come into your life as quickly as possible. So at the same time as all the previous steps, it's time to deal with debt. If you have none at all, good news, you are even closer to getting rich. If you have debts, it's important to pay them off. Yes, not all debt is bad, but most of it should be avoided. For example, student loans or mortgages can be beneficial if the amount and interest rate are not excessive, and they really help you build a successful career or own a home. But credit card debt should be paid off as soon as possible. This is very, very bad debt. The avalanche method can work great to get out of debt. According to its strategy, you should first pay off the funds with the highest interest rate and make small payments on other debts. After paying off the loan with the highest interest rate, move on to the loan with the next highest interest rate and pay it off. Keep doing this until you have paid off all your loans. The snowball method is the fastest and most economical way to pay off debt. By accumulating enough money, it's already a great reason to declare, "I'm moving toward wealth." But now, it is important to accelerate this process many times over. Remember at the beginning when I said that I would prove how savings can speed up the process of getting rich? Well, this is possible through wise investments. The sooner you start doing this, the sooner you will get to a point where you don't have to think about how much money you have in your accounts because it will be millions. Let me ask you a question. Did you know that if you invest just $10 a day starting in your 20s, you could retire with over $1 million? And that's without winning the lottery or launching a startup. Sounds wild, right? Even small but regular investments will speed up the process of getting rich. There are many different investment strategies, but most experts recommend putting most of your money into the stock market. Some recommend investing in real estate or even speculative investments. There's plenty of options, and the important thing is to choose the right one for you. But diversification or investing in many different asset classes is also important. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. an old wisdom for all investors, because it can be risky from a financial point of view. A diversified portfolio will protect you and allow you to make a lot of money on your investments. If you are having trouble, get help from a financial advisor or do your own research. Along with all the above, don't forget the right daily habits. Only daily work on yourself leads to the heights. And for starters, get a good night's sleep. Plan your schedule so that you can get a full night's rest. Our minds and bodies need rest to function at a high level. What do you need to do before a good night's sleep or during the day? That's right, read. Wealthy people read a lot more than poor people. Take the time to read professional literature at least once a day for 1 hour. This will give you a lot of knowledge that will boost your skills. Do not forget to make a to-do list. Almost all rich and successful people write tasks not only for each day, but also for a month and even a year. You should know exactly what you need to do today to achieve your big goal. This plan should also include your weekends and vacations, but there should be no blank pages. Exercise, proper nutrition, and taking care of your health are simply essential for success. So incorporate exercise, regular checkups with your doctor, and healthy diet into your life. Even with their busy schedules, 76% of successful entrepreneurs find time to go to the gym 4 times a week, and 57% always watch their diet. Remember, wealth isn't about having a lot of money. It's about having a lot of opportunities. Don't run after a number, but visualize your big end goal: to be free, to be able to travel anywhere in the world, to help others, to enjoy what you do. I wish you to win this race. Give this video a thumbs up if it motivated you to do something new. This is the main channel on finance. Subscribe and get rich.